Hello everyone. Standard 4 Maths. Chapter number 1 Building with Bricks. In this chapter we are going to talk about different patterns which have been made in school in West Bengal some 300 years ago. Here we are going to learn how to use geometrical shapes in different ways like zarokhas in a building, flow pattern and so many other things. Let's read. This is the true story of Jagruti School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make bricks pattern on the floor and wall. Jamal, Kalu and Pia were the masons for the bricks work. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building. So, they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. See the photo. Downside you can see the photo in between. This is the photo of a tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful bricks pattern. They have made so beautiful pattern. See downside 5 photos are there. First pattern how nicely they made. Second one it's a symmetrical pattern. Symmetrical pattern when you divide symmetrical objects in any two halves it can be vertically or horizontally. On next page other 3 patterns are given. How beautiful they are. You can write here which flow pattern do you like the most. Now the masons came back excited and they made such a beautiful pattern that everybody started appreciating. Next page, page number 3. Here some pictures of different pattern. These are in your book. You can have a look at it. See the first question. Which pattern is made in circle? Now see A to K patterns. कौन सी पैटर्न सर्कल में दिखाई दे रही है? Circle means circle is a closed curve. It has no corners. So you can see in picture J, there are so many circles. So we can say the picture J is made in a circle. Second question, in which pattern can you show mirror house? Now what is mirror house? Mirror house means you draw a line symmetry and the figure should be divided into two equal halves, both the side of line of symmetry. Now third one, that you may draw some new flow patterns in your own notebook. Next page, page number 4. See how lovely borders they have made with the help of bricks. Isn't it nice? Now how to draw a brick? These are 2 photos of the same bricks, and in one photo we can see only one face of the brick and in the other we can see 3 faces. Circle the photo showing 3 faces that you can circle in your own textbook. Now brick is cuboid in shape. Brick is cuboid in shape and brick has 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. So brick has 6 faces. And no faces are in square. Brick के किसी भी face square नहीं है. Downside some shapes are given. Which of these are the faces of brick? Mark with thread. Here I mark with thread. Third one. It is a rectangular. So this is the face of the brick and the last one. Like white rectangle. It is also the face of brick. And downside. And which of these is a drawing of a brick? That I tick. This is the drawing of a brick. Page number 5. One day Munia and Zainaba are playing with bricks and making their walls. Here Zainab and Munia, they both make their wall. Both the arrangement is different. For starting the second row, they have used the center of the lower brick and then arrange other bricks. Munia's wall, they have put bricks on one top of the other and they both are discussing whose wall is stronger. So children, what do you feel? Which wall Out of these two is stronger? If you throw the ball in Zainab's wall, only first bricks may fall, second may not fall. But in Munia's wall, if you throw a ball in center, then no support. So maybe all bricks may fall. Now downside different wall patterns. See, now the wall patterns are given. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. And can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Upside pictures and downside the correct drawing. So upside first देखो वो 1 lengthwise and 1 widthwise. So कौन सी नीचे में से कौन सी उससे ज्वाइंट हो सकती है? So सेकेंड वाली, नीचे में से सेकेंड वाली है वो लेंथवाइज एंड ब्रीथवाइज है, विड्थवाइज है. सो फर्स्ट के साथ सेकेंड जाएगी. सेकेंड भी सेम ही अरेंजमेंट है. सो सेकेंड के साथ थर्ड जाएंगी, लेकिन ऊपर जो थर्ड पिक्चर है सो वो फर्स्ट के साथ जाएगा, बिकॉज दे अरेंज 1 रो लेंथवाइज 1 रो ब्रीथवाइज, लेंथवाइज ब्रीथवाइज. सो फर्स्ट के साथ सेकेंड, सेकेंड के साथ थर्ड एंड थर्ड के साथ फर्स्ट. पेज नंबर 8. Here they have made beautiful jali pattern, such a lovely jali pattern, and the purpose is when the breeze will come enter the building through this jali, it will keep the building cool. See how the edge of the brick is used to make a triangle in the wall. Brick को triangle करके arrange करके रखा है. Then arch. Arch is basically a part of a circle. In many houses, arches are made to increase the beauty of their houses. नीचे वाला जो पिक्चर है वहाँ दिखाई दिया है, एरो किया है. Okay, that is the arch. So students, find out that other beautiful arches at your home.